Yeah.
Hey.
Okay, yeah. And now I want you to try styling it, right? Try giving it some different colors. Try changing it up.
Wait a minute. There is a type. What? Wow.
Mhm. So what is a type? I've never heard that before.
I
Do you want a
I
hint? Do you remember how to write a style?
I just remember only
Mhm.
style like this and like wait a minute, we're just are this. So
Right.
you should put like here the color red.
Mhm.
It cannot be just the eye only changed.
Yeah. So I'll
Mm,
show you on my screen real
okay, wait a minute.
quickly.
Yeah.
Okay. So the correct structure is looks like this. So style, open, closing. We have the selection here. Body is saying in body, right? We're talking to the body. Everything inside of it is the arrow. So everything now we're selecting this. However, we are clicking H1 specifically. So it's going to be H1.
Yes, it was it. Ah, wait a minute.
You're close. You're really close, right? It was just moving it outside the tag. So now, yeah, try this. And don't forget, right? This part, right? It has to end with the semicolon. It has to have a colon in the middle and your description. Okay? So try it yourself. See
Okay.
if you can get it.
Hmm? And this one is wrong.
You're so close, so close. Okay, yeah, let me help you.
Ah,
Let me help
ah,
you.
wait a minute.
You remember? Yeah, there we go.
It's
Yeah, good job. Okay, so let's go back to the image we were talking about. So remember, you wanted to try and make the picture smaller, right?
okay.
Let's try that. So let's go back to the image. Let's see if we still have it. Let me go back. There we go. Okay, so you tell me, right? How did we create a style?
Oh, we
You
should
tell me.
put all the style and start and like ending.
Okay, what's next?
Mm-hmm.
What's next?
Are we or are we with making picture smaller?
Yes.
Wait,
Hmm?
like let me check.
Okay.
We should use a weight and length.
Yeah. Width and length. But before that, what do we have to do?
Ah, body.
Yeah, body. Wait, body?
Yeah, body and isn't it
Oh, I got it. And then?
like oh mm, like this.
What next? What do you think we have to do next? I'll
Isn't
give
that
you a hint.
correct?
This. Like this.
Ah,
Right?
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, and then let's do the width and length.
Is
Right.
uh can I change our weight is 30,
30,
30, 30.
13. Okay.
13? Wait a minute.
13 or 13?
13.
13. Okay.
Or should we like length?
There we go. It's very small now. You see it? It's very small.
Oh, so small.
Yeah.
A height. It was a height, not length.
Height. No, no. Yeah. And try this by yourself. See if you can
A
do the same
px
thing.
pixel.
PX is
A
pixel. You can
a
do
pixel.
something like, so we don't have to use this unit. We can do view width and view height. If
What
you
is
run
a
it.
view and VH?
So view width and view height. So think of it like a percentage. So 100%. If I put 100, it's going to be full, right? It's the percent of the screen that it takes up. So 30 is,
Uh,
yes.
so this is a view width and view height.
Mhm. Okay, so
I
now,
understood.
okay, now that we did this, let's try introducing JavaScript. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
Uh,
I just only remember the JavaScript is just a movement. I didn't remember all of the codes.
so you want to try and going ahead? Yeah, let's try. Okay, so in order to put JavaScript inside, we do a script.
Okay.
Okay,
I got it.
but important thing, I want you to notice, why are we putting script inside the body and not inside of head? Do you want to try and guess?
Because
Why are we putting it in the body? This this is completely against what I told you. I told you everything in the head goes in the head, everything in the body is where you make things, right? So why are we changing and putting script inside of the body and not inside of the head?
I think script is a movement, not a command. Like
Okay.
so head is just like have you heard about NASA? Of course you heard.
Mhm.
On NASA, if we go to the astro when astro went to the Mars, the center said do this, do this, do this. Like the center is a head and body is the astronauts.
Okay. So good guess and good analogy. But the reason is actually much simpler than you think. So simple reason is because website takes time. So when you open up a website, Henry, it opens immediately, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So let's type something in. It opens up, right? But Henry, what about when a website is slow? When your Wi-Fi isn't good, Wi-Fi가 나쁘고, then how does the page load? It takes time, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It doesn't show up all at once.
Ah.
And that's an issue. If we have the script loading in, so when a website is loading in code, what it's going to do, it's going to scan through from top to bottom and read it out. So it's going to be doc type, HTML, blah, 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 all the way down, 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 right?
So script is something to check
Mm-hmm.
uh
No, not quite.
of the HTML and CSS, and if a check is complete, the script is happened.
Similar, kind of what you're saying, but the reason why we put it inside the bottom, why we put it inside here, is because let's say we put it at the top, right? Then when the JavaScript when it's reading out, it's going to be like, hey, script here first. It's going to read out all of the script and then make the body. So that's bad for two reasons. First, number one, when you're reading out the script first, it's going to take longer for the person to see on the screen, right? Because it's busy reading out the script instead of the what you can see, right?
Yeah.
And number two, if we don't have a body and we have a script, what are we going to use the script on? It's like, hey, can you pick up this piece of paper, but we don't have it yet. I want you to just pick up the air and then it just spawns in. Do you kind of understand?
Like we have a brain, but we don't have arm and legs.
No body. No arm, yeah,
Like
no
this?
arm and legs. Brain 있는데, hey, move your arm. Can I tell my body to move my arm if I don't have an arm?
No,
No, yeah.
we can't.
That's why script is at the bottom. So putting it at the bottom waits for the body to come in before it does the thinking.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah. Okay. So that is why script goes into the bottom. And so I'm kind of lying here. So there are exceptions. Sometimes we do have to break the rules. Okay. Yeah. So now let's try and let's make a button. Oh, let's try making a button we can click. How about that? Right? So how do you make a button again?
First first one, and write a button's title and finish the button.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, like this.
Right. Now let's actually move on to the fun stuff, right? So if we click this again, button, right? And then let's customize the button before we even do anything, right? So how do you want to style the button? you want it a different color, different size?
Oh, we can change a different size.
Different size. We can change the size. We can even do uh border.
Oh, can we? Oh, what is broad? Border.
We can even do this. We can give the button
Oh,
shine,
oh, interesting.
colorful outside.
Or
Or we can
can I
even make
change a shape?
shape. So how do you want to change it?
Can
Make it a circle?
I change a pentagon?
Pentagon. Okay, that's not possible.
That's not
That's
possible. Impossible.
we can make it a circle, we can make it a square, we can make it a rectangle. We can do a pentagon. If you want, I can teach you later, but it's very complicated. So
Okay, okay. Can I change rectangle? I'm doing this is a rectangle. Can I change a round one?
round it. Okay. Border it. If you go to 1 pixel solid, right? And then border radius. So and then you increase this. Like this. Now it's a circle.
Ooh.
If we want it to be a full circle, we can do width is equal to 50 pixels. Let's get it width is equal to 100 pixels.
Oh, this one
I
must be bigger.
Bigger, yeah, much bigger. Circle.
Mm. Ooh, it looks like the game joystick.
Game joystick, yeah, similar. Right? And then let's say you want to make it a game joystick, let's do that. We'll give
Really?
us a 0. Well, we can't exactly make a game joystick. I'll make it look like one. So let's see. Font. Bold. And size.
Right.
26. Okay, that's not quite right. 100 pixels. There we go. Similar.
Oh,
Similar. Okay. All right. But that
okay.
out of the way, now we have just a joystick, similar. And then let's do JavaScript. So first things first, when we do JavaScript, we have to say what we're talking about. So document, we need to put a new, wait, document, all right, so first thing, oh, 좀 오래됐네. Okay, actually, JavaScript. Um, Guess I can do that. Okay, never mind. Okay, so first things first, JavaScript. Oh, okay, that's it. So first, what do we select? Okay, so we want to get a button, right? If we want to get a button, we need to do document dot query selector. Okay, and then we do inside here, we put the name. So similar to style, right? Style, we have the body is less than body is inside the body, we have everything selected, right?
Mm-hmm.
So similar to this, we're going to need to be able to select and put it inside of here.
Mm.
Okay, so in this case,
So
if we want to select it, a button.
button.
Oh, yes. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Oh, okay, got it. All right. Sorry. So if we want to make it into an object, we do const. All right. equal to document style. Okay, so what this is doing, it's not going to change anything yet, but it's
Yeah.
saying, hey, document.query selector button, this is the location of the button. So all of this is similar to this in styles. So it's just pointing to where the button and it's returning that location, right? So let's do button dot style. Okay, hold on. Everything. One second. Let me see if I'm doing this correctly. Okay, yeah, it's correct. Okay. Button dot style dot color. Let's see. Oh, is equal to- it should work. There we go. Okay. So similar to inside style. So this isn't inside style, but JavaScript can also edit this, right? So let's try this. Let's try this. Okay. So button. Let's create a uh, let button toggle. And toggle is equal to false, right? And then oh, we're running out of time. Okay, I'll show you in next class, but before class ends, I do want to show you something, okay? Because this is important, all
Okay.
right? So I want you, this is your homework, okay? This is your
Okay,
homework,
what is
okay?
the
I want you to
homework?
go to monkey type, right? This is very like not very easy homework for first class, okay?
Okay.
So I want you to practice getting your typing speed up, all right? So you need to be able to type as fast. This because when you're coding, right, you need to be able to type fast,
Mm-hmm.
following your thoughts, right?
Oh.
Your homework,
This.
you don't have to be too fast, but your homework is to get to, let's see, I want you to get to maybe about this speed, okay? About this speed. Do you think you can do that?
I will. I will try this.
Mhm. Yeah, try and get your speed up faster because the faster you can type, the faster you can write code, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So any other questions?
No.
Okay. So next class, we're going to be talking about JavaScript. All right. And then we're
Mm-hmm.
going to build an app together. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You did good. All right. Bye, Henry.
Bye bye, teacher. Bye bye, Peter.
Bye.